Hello everyone and welcome to my 2023 Coolest Project website. My name is Al and this is the Beginner's Guide to Minecraft. This website is meant to serve as a guide to any new Minecraft players and contains tips and tricks to help the new players survive their first night in the most efficient and fun way. So far, there are 5 chapters in the website and I will hopefully be adding new chapters later on for more advanced and in-depth tips. But for now, we have 5 chapters for any new beginners to read to start off their first ever Minecraft journey. The first chapter is all about the first things you should always do after booting up your first world, such as getting wood and such. The second chapter is about mining and how you should plan on going on your first mining trip. The third step is all about getting food, an essential part to every Minecraft survival world. The fourth step is about building your first house. And the fifth and final step in this short guide contains some things you might want to consider doing while playing Minecraft, such as playing with your friends for even more fun. While my guide isn't as in-depth and detailed as some people expected it to be, this first version of the website is only to serve as a beginner guide, and I will hopefully be adding even more helpful tips in the future, such as making your first farm and even going to the nether dimension for the very first time. I hope this guide can be helpful for all of you. This has been Al, and goodbye.